Hey everyone, it's Trevor Daly with MagMod. Hey, first off, I just want to say thank you. What an amazing first day. 620 of you have already jumped on board and pledged your support for the MagBox Pro softboxes. We just cannot thank you enough. It's been overwhelming. And not only that, but there's been so much good feedback and information, people just posting so much positivity about it online and on social. So thank you so much, everybody. We really, really appreciate you. Now, I wanted to create this video because we've had a couple of you reach out to us about how to manage your pledge, how to change things. Maybe you saw something that someone else purchased, or maybe you saw a video. You saw maybe Ivan Duran's photos where he used color inside the gels and or inside the soft boxes, and you're thinking, man, I really wish I could get some creative gels when these boxes arrive. Well, I'm going to show you how. So what you're going to do is first you're going to go to your Kickstarter page, and you want to go back to the MagBox Pro softbox campaign. Okay. Now the easiest way I find to get there is after logging into Kickstarter, just click your little face up in the corner, and from there you're going to see the different projects you've backed, and the first one on top is the MagBox Pro. Now once you're there, click this little green button that says Manage Your Pledge. Now you're going to see when you're logged in, it's going to show you, hey, you're a backer, you pledged X amount of dollars, and you're just going to go in here and click Manage Your Pledge. So let's do that, and try to click it again here and see. All right, so once it comes up right here, it's going to say, hey, this is your credit card if you need to change that information. It's going to tell you this is what you pledged. You chose the MagBox Pro 42 Octa. Now this is my pledge. Yours obviously will be different. MagBox Pro 42 Octa, you got in on the early bird pricing. Awesome. And these were the add-ons. So I had added 2 mag grips, color correction gels, etc., etc. Now let's just say, hey, this is great, but I want to go ahead and change this. Okay. So I'm going to come down to the purple button at the bottom. It says change your pledge. I'm going to click that button. And once that pops up, it's going to say, this is what you pledged. What would you like to change? Now, first off, guys, notice that in these bundles that they don't allow you to put a quantity. So I can't, like Kickstarter doesn't allow me to say, hey, I want to buy 2 of these MagBox Pro 42 Octa bundles. I want to buy 2 of them. It doesn't allow you to do that. It only allows you to basically pledge for that or add any bonus support. Bonus support just means you're adding dollars. You're buying me a Diet Coke. No, I'm just kidding. Please don't worry about adding any extra support, guys. We super appreciate your support already. But all you're going to do at this point is if you decide, you know what, I don't want the 42 Octa bundle. I actually want one of the headshot bundles. I want to get in there and I want to start creating more headshots and using one of those for it. So I might come down here. I'm going to come all the way down towards the bottom. And let's say I go, you know what, I really, really want this Speedlight headshot bundle. So I click that, okay? And again, now I'm changing it from the 42 Octa bundle to the Speedlight headshot bundle. So that pops up. Any additional support? Nope, not necessary. I hit pledge. And the next page that pops up is it changed my reward, okay? But it kept all the add-ons that I had previously done. That's why you see the quantity here. But let's just say that I hadn't done any add-ons yet. So I'm going to actually delete these. I'll have to remember to go back and choose the right ones. But let's just say I have this page is going to pop up. It's going to show you, hey, this is what you pledged. This is the reward. And these are the different add-ons. Now, this is where if you wanted 2 of something, so let's just say you chose the 42 Octa bundle and you're like, man, I wish I could get a second one. You can create it a la carte. And the nice thing is if you do it through Kickstarter, you are going to save money off the retail price. So definitely take advantage of these savings right now. And not only that, get in on the early shipping, right? So right here, it shows me this is what I pledged. This is the Speedlight headshot bundle. Now, let's just say I go, you know what? I actually have 2 more flashes. So I'm going to add 2 more mag grips. And I have a couple studio strobes. So I'm going to add a Bowen's Speedlight or speed ring adapter, and I'm going to also add a let's see what else. Oh, I want to look. Do I have the large case? Let's just come up here. I look. I go. Oh yeah, in the Speedlight headshot bundle, I do have a large case, so I don't need to worry about that right now. But let's just say I add the mag grip, I add the speed ring, and is there anything else? Oh, I know. I saw the picture that Ivan did with the creative gels, and I really want a set of those. In fact, I'm going to get 2 sets, and I'm also going to get the correction gels so I can do some fun things with that as well. So there's where you can add on whatever you like. You can create your own bundle if you like, and obviously change your reward. Now, once you've done that, you're going to come down to the bottom, and I say, okay, so $1,064. I got to treat myself, and I'm going to go ahead and hit continue to pledge that amount. once it's there, it's going to tell me exactly one more time. It's going to say, this is what you're ordering, the Speedlight Headshot Bundle, and these are the different add-ons. I confirm everything looks okay. I hit confirm, and I am rocking and rolling. So guys, I hope that helps. If you have any additional questions on how to manage your pledge or how to change anything, definitely let me know. Let's just say right after I do that, I want to go back in and edit. I can do it right there. Or like I said, I can go right back into the MagBox Pro campaign page and change that at any time. You have until the campaign ends, which is in 14 days. So until then, if you see something and you're like, man, I really want to add something to it, definitely jump in there and make those changes. All right. Again, thank you so much. We appreciate all of you. Cannot wait to see what you guys are going to be doing with these products. It's going to be amazing. Thanks, everyone. Have a wonderful day.